Hello, everyone. Welcome to LandGlass. This is Brendan. It's been such a long time, and finally we meet here. Hope all of you and your family stay safe and healthy. Today, it will be a 30-minute online exhibition to our audience. Here's the agenda. Part 1, we're going to provide a video about our plant. Part 2, we would like to share about what's going on with LandGlass. Part 3, it will be some news about our new global business partners. And part 4, I would keep it secret by now. In the meantime, our colleagues are standby in the background. We're going to have a Q&A buttons in the control panel. So feel free to click and type. Your questions will be answered. Now let's cut the chase and see inside LandGlass.
Welcome to LandGlass. I'm Chris. I worked for the sales of European and Turkish market. Where we now is assembly workshop of heating furnaces. In the past 20 years, our heating technology has always maintained the industry's leading. After continuous innovation, we expand the classic jet convection system, the Ultrajet series, and the Cyclone series, tailored to the different requirements of the clients. Every year, we have around 200 heating furnaces are delivered to the global market.
Hola a todos, me llamo Fernando Wong, soy gerente de ventas de LandGlass para Latinoamérica. Acá estamos en un taller. Las máquinas en esta fila son las secciones de enfriamiento planas. Se componen de los rodeos transportadores y los bloques de bocadillas de aire fabricados por la máquina de CNC. Usamos un equipo especial de enrollar las cuerdas de Kevlar sobre los rodeos. Así garantizamos el mismo ángulo y la misma estabilidad del proceso.
Добрый день, дамы и господа, дорогие друзья. Меня зовут Михаил. Я от LandGlass, занимаюсь рынками Российской Федерации, Восточной Европы, Центральной Азии и Ирана. Сейчас я нахожусь на цеху секции марирования. В настоящее время LandGlass разработал все запатентованные различные марирования, в том числе поперечное марирование, положительное протонное марирование, динамичное протонное марирование, никодивное протонное марирование, цилиндрическое и сферическое марирование. В настоящее время максимальный размер марирования достигнет 3,6 на 18 метров. Сейчас сзади меня изготавливается протонное марирование 2,8 на 12 метров. Прошу вас рассмотреть и спасибо.
Hallo, ich bin Kai, der Produktmanager von LandGlass und hier ist unsere Elektrowerkstatt. Der ganze Stock umfasst ca. 5000 Quadratmeter. Hier stellen wir hauptsächlich unsere elektrische Schrankbier und alle unsere Produkte sind sowohl WL als auch CE zertifiziert. Jeden Monat wird hier über 1000 unser Produkt zusammen mit unserer Anlage an Kunden auf die ganze Welt geliefert.
Okay, welcome back. I hope this video can give you some impressions about the way we're doing things to ensure the quality of our product. To be honest, it was very tough during the last few months. The overseas market was heavily impacted, especially in the second quarter. But when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. I see nothing can stop LandGlass from keeping promises. So let's go and have a look.
Hello, My name is Stephen Kimmett. I am a service engineer with over 30 years experience in glass tempering. My company is Kimmett Tempering Services Limited. I have recently taken over the sales and service agency commitments for LandGlass Technologies of customers. I am working very closely with LandGlass in China and Europe for all future sales projects and technical engineering support, which comes with breakdowns and process assistance for all our existing customers. If there are any queries regarding LandGlass, I'm available to contact on any of these numbers shown.
Meu nome é Dinho Nakano e sou proprietário da empresa Canum, que tem mais de 43 anos no setor vidreiro. Tenho conhecimento e experiência por ter tido a maior empresa processadora de vidros por mais de 30 anos. Hoje me dedico exclusivamente na área de representação e consultoria no ramo vidreiro no Brasil, trabalhando somente com empresas renomadas, com produtos e máquinas de alta qualidade e com garantia. E é com muita satisfação e orgulho em ter a LandGlass como parceira comercial para todo o mercado brasileiro. Fechamos um novo contrato de exclusividade com o objetivo de apresentar ao mercado brasileiro produtos de alta tecnologia, trazendo para o Brasil o que há de mais inovadora em fornos de têmpera com excelente qualidade e custos reduzidos. Venha fazer parte dessa caminhada. Entre em contato.
So here we are. We plan to do more, establishing more network in the future and for the future. We just showed the video about our new global business partners. And now, afterwards, we're gonna have a video showing what's going on with LandGlass, especially under such a special period of time.
Hello, I'm Yang Ye from LandGlass. Now I'm in Simpang Glass Factory in Suwon, of Korea. The single furnace made by LandGlass will be well installed and commissioned. Simpang Glass is very satisfied with the performance of LandGlass single furnace. In the future, LandGlass will certainly contribute more and more to the glass industry in Korea. LandGlass
大家好，我是兰迪德国 S1 设备项目组的工程师李有才。我现在在意大利威尼斯市，现在我和我的团队正在 S1 现场进行设备安装和调试工作。谢谢。
大家好，我是兰迪玻璃机器的王庚，我是兰迪机器的赵静国。我们是德国 PT 项目组的第一批成员，今天抵达德国法兰克福。接下来我们将去客户现场，开始该项目的现场安装阶段。
嗨，大家好，我是兰迪公司的邢明明。正在我身后的设备呢，是我们正在为波兰客户安装的雷霆系列双式加弯钢钢化设备。
大家好，我是中国洛阳兰迪宋向阳。今天是2020年10月16号。现在我在乌斯科别斯坦基扎克安装设备，现在设备已经整体就位，准备安排下一步工作。
我叫周成武，是兰迪公司的工程师，现在在京津马来西亚槟城安装设备，有5台连续炉需要安装。
My name is Mick Mulrooney. I am currently installing a LandGlass furnace, as there are many LandGlass furnaces in Australia and also 3 of them in Tasmania. So for your next leap, please choose LandGlass.
So this is LandGlass always provide qualified services, enhancing the network with our clients in many ways. We just came back with great market performance in the 3rd quarter, more orders receiving in the 4th quarter, and we believe the annual result will still be good. And now will be the most important part. Please welcome our director from the R&D Center, Mr. Sean Cui.
Hello, everyone. My dear friends and guests from all over the world. This is Sean, the director of the Furnace R&D department. Okay, so in the next few minutes, allow me to introduce our technology advancements in 2019 and 2020. We built several new type vendors and we deliver several intelligent production lines to our customers. And let's get into more details in the following presentation and video, shall we?
Yes, for sure. So I will leave the stage to you and Sean. Please enjoy.
Okay, so for the tempering furnaces, this presentation shows that the two new type of bending and tempering furnaces. The first one is LandGlass C+ bend tempering furnaces, and the second one is LandGlass B convex bend glass continuous tempering furnaces. Inheriting the main idea of LandGlass C flexible shaft bender, the LandGlass C+ bender expands the horizon of cone-shaped bend tempered glass, long straight edge bend tempered glass, convex bend tempered glass by adopting stepless and or convex arc forming mechanism and process technology. Capacity. LandGlass C+ bender is designed to make bend tempered glass for large-scale curtain walls and sky domes, etc. So the GlassTec we can make by using this bender is clear glass, low E glass, pattern glass, tinted glass, and silk screen glass. The minimum radius can go to 1,000 millimeters, and thickness goes from 6 to 90 millimeters. And the glass size goes from 400 millimeters by 600 millimeters to 18,000 millimeters by 3,600 millimeters. And we can make cone-shaped bend tempered glass, long straight edge bend tempered glass, convex bend tempered glass by using this bender. By means of special bending and quenching mechanism and control system, which can form arcs with different radii at two ends, the glass will bend once it comes out of the furnace and form the final shape longitudinally. LandGlass C+ bender can produce not only cylinder-type shaped bended glass without edge cracks that usually appears in traditional processing method, but also cone-shaped bend glass, which can be variously for high-quality bend glass. Single quenching section is suitable for tempering maximum 6 meters long cylinder-shaped bend glass and cone-shaped bend glass. LandGlass C+ bender has two different independent transverse arc forming mechanisms, which can independently form the curve by its own siding. By this means, cone-shaped glass can be produced successfully. When tempering super long straight edge bend glass, it is unnecessary to bend and then quench glass after the whole glass sheet coming out of the furnace. This technique can effectively avoid quality defects due to the temperature difference at two ends of the glass sheet. Multiple quenching sections are suitable for tempering 8 to 18 super long straight edge bend glass of maximum 3.6 millimeter long cone-shaped bend glass. Seamless connection of multiple quenching sections can effectively minimize the quenching marks and makes the inner stress more uniform. And by means of special bending and quenching mechanism and control system, LandGlass C+ bender can form convex circular arcs. Glass can be bent and then quenched along with the convex arc forming section. Only in this way can LandGlass C+ bender produce cylinder sheet band glass without damaging coating or ink on the convex side. Incorporating the main idea of the LandGlass B continuous concave rigid shaft bender. The LandGlass B continuous convex rigid shaft bender can continuously produce cylinder-shaped band glass without damaging coating or ink on the convex side of the cup by adopting convex arc forming mechanism and process technology and convex cylinder-shaped band glass conveying mechanism. Okay, thank you. And let's move on to our smart factory. So this video will give you the introduction to our project in Southern China we made for our customers. So I think it will be give you some impressions about our new technologies and knowledge we're going to share it. 30 minutes is really not that long. I hope this conference can give you something new about LandGlass. At last but not the least, I would like to say thank you to GlassTec, who has supported to organize such a great event, so we can be here meeting all the friends. That will be all for today. So see you soon. Goodbye.